Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the proof of area formulas, and in this video we're looking to prove the area of triangles as half of a parallelogram or rectangle. By this video, what we hope to achieve is your understanding that the area of a triangle is half base times the height. We're going to learn where this formula comes from. In the previous video, we already looked at the area of rectangles, squares, and parallelograms. So if you haven't yet watched that, you have to watch that one first. So here we have a triangle, and I hope we're already aware that the area of this triangle, it's the base times the height, and it's going to be the half base times the height. So the area of this is that. Same with this one. If this is the base and that's the height, the area of this is half base. Oops, that should be height. Half base times height. And in this one, we have an imaginary height that is on the outside here. And the area of this, that's the base and that's the height. Once again, the area is half base times the height. Now, it was already shown in the title, or in the little phrase there, that it is half of a parallelogram or a rectangle. By that we mean is if we double this triangle in such a way that we make a parallelogram. So here we go, watch. So that there is another triangle that is exactly the same. So this side here is the same as this side here, and this side here is the same as that side there. It is actually a parallelogram. And isn't the area of this parallelogram the base times the height? So the area of this parallelogram is base times height, or the length times the height. But since we can chop it in half, right? If we halve it, we actually get the area of that triangle. Hence why the area of a triangle is derived from the area of a parallelogram, which is, if I remove that, it's actually just base times height, or length times breadth. But if we halve it, we get the area of a triangle. So this triangle here can also be made into a parallelogram by extending another, or duplicating it, like so. We actually now have a rectangle. So the area of this rectangle is base times the height. But since this triangle is half of this rectangle, it's half base times height. Same case for this triangle. We can actually double this triangle, so it actually becomes a rectangle. Oh, sorry, a parallelogram. So this side is equal to that side, and that side is equal to that side. Once again, we have the area of this parallelogram is base times height. But since we only want the area of the triangle, we halve it, hence why we get half base times height. Hope that gives you an understanding on the area, the formula for the area of a triangle. Best of luck.